see this box right here? Inside this box is $15 USB mic. 15 bucks. CmTeck. You know what? Let's give this a shot. What's up guys, my name's DiDio and you're watching the DiDio show, and in this video we're going to be talking about a cheap $15 USB mic for live streaming, gaming as some people would use, and I figured just to bring it more into my niche, kind of test it out with the guitar and see if it can pick up some of the acoustics here. So we'll get into all those testings here in just a moment. And remember, everything in this video is in the description below. All the links are in the description below, so you can go and check that out for more details on it. Now I think it's important to say at the beginning of this video, CmTeck is not sponsoring me, although they did email me and wanted me to go ahead and shoot the video. So I'm doing this just for free, just to put this video out there, because I don't think there are any videos out there on this mic yet, and I thought this would be a great opportunity to let you guys know on a USB mic, so I hope that you enjoy the video. As you all know, social media is where everything is going, especially video. So if you can get three things, it's called the A, the V, and the L. Audio, visual, and lighting. Now in this video we're going to be covering the audio for video, but it's not just for musicians, it's for a lot of different people, but I want to specifically talk to musicians here. If you aren't into social media yet or doing live streams, you really need to start getting into that. It's very important to get your name further out there, to let people know about what you're doing, what your mission is, what your statement is. For me, I'm bringing family-friendly guitar tutorials, music theory lessons, song lessons, vlogs, and product reviews to YouTube. So that's my mission statement. So this is very important to get you really out there, so that way everyone can know what your mission statement is as well. And actually, if you'd like to contact CmTeck, I believe I'm pronouncing the name right, I hope so. If you'd like to contact them, the link is in the description to the Amazon page, so you can go and check that out for more details on that as well. But before we get into it, make sure you like this video, comment if you have any questions, subscribe, and then ding the little bell so you get notified whenever I put out new videos just like this one, and then also guitar tutorials, music theory lessons, song lessons, product reviews, and even vlogs. So if you'd like all those things, make sure you subscribe. But let's go ahead and jump into the content. Okay, so for this first test with the microphone, what I'm going to do is I'm using a very simple beginner editing software that I started out on, which now I'm moving over to Adobe, so that's cool. But we're using Filmora, which is a pretty cool app, and I'll leave a link to their website in the description if you'd like to check out some of their video editing software and such. But we're going to be doing a simple voiceover with this. As soon as I hit this button here, we'll be going. So let's get the microphone ready. Now I'm going to do some proximity tests here. See how close it needs to be in order to do it. And then I'll also test out muting the microphone, unmuting it, and turning it off and turning it on. That kind of stuff, just to see what it'll do. Okay, countdown's going. Okay, so now we're starting to record this, and let's switch over to that right now. Okay, so how's this audio sounding? As you can see, it's about maybe 5 inches from my face. Now I have a squeaky chair. Let's see if you can hear that very well or not. Just testing this out. Check 1 2. Check. Checkity check. And in sound checks, I always go checkity check. That's my one thing. Checkity check. But how does it sound kind of close up now? Let me set it down on the desk that I'm using for my computer. Now I'm really far away. As you can see, it's all the way right here, maybe 1.5 feet away. Let's see how the audio sounds for this. Let's go ahead and try muting it now and see how that... I'm just kidding, I did not hit mute yet. It's probably a good thing you did not hear what I just did, because it was totally random. But did it work? Were you able to hear me? If so, then I apologize. Okay, so now mostly for the fun of it, I'm back to my regular microphone, the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus actually. If you want to check out that video, there's a link to that video right there. If you'd like to check out the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus, that is a great mic, really good, especially for video. But right now we're talking about kind of live streaming, gaming, that kind of stuff. But pretty much just for fun. Let's do this. Okay, so now it's kind of far away, maybe 1.5 feet. Well, it would help if I tuned a little bit. Where is my tuner? And then a pick. Of course, always a pick. My tuner is not turning on. Must be out of battery. My tuner. There we go. Alright, let's test this out. Okay, so tell me, how did that sound, kind of with the microphone kind of far away? Now let me go ahead and move it just a little bit closer, and we'll find out what it sounds like a little bit closer. I actually think I really like the results from that. In fact, tell me what you think in the comments. How did it sound to you? Was it really clear? Was it as clear as the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus is, just maybe 2.5 feet from my face? Now, it's not as portable as the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. That is mostly for recording video. It's a shotgun mic, so it's for being a little further away too. But that is for direct one-on-one. In fact, I'm going to be doing some live streams soon in the future, so I'm thinking I'm going to try out this mic and see how it sounds in live streams. So make sure you subscribe again to get that good content there, and also to get more content from the mic. Now, if you're watching this on Amazon, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you go and check out my website, evandidio.com, as well as my YouTube channel, Evan DiDio. DiDio was his name, oh, D-I-D-I-O, D-I-D-I-O. If you still don't know how to spell it after that song, then go back and rewatch it. I say yes. I say this is really cool, and I can't wait to see more of the stuff that CmTeck sends out. And there is a link to the microphone in the description, as well as my video to the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. So, don't know which one you might want? Go in the comments section. So, that's like a $15 mic versus a $300 mic. But tell me what you think in the comments section. Rode VideoMic Pro Plus or $15 CmTeck mic? Which one do you think sounds better? I'm interested to see what everyone thinks, so put it in the comment section. Again, like this video, comment if you have any questions or your opinion on the mic, and then also put video ideas in the comments, and then also subscribe, ding the little bell so you get notified whenever I put out a new video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.